guys, today we'll be making ginataang mais, and we will need glutinous rice, brown sugar, kernel corn, about 3 cups, coconut milk, 2 cans of coconut milk, and jackfruit. There you go. In a pot, we will put the 2 cans of coconut milk, mix it well, and we will wait until it is simmer or comes to boil. Then we will add the 2 cups of glutinous rice. We have to stir it constantly. After a few minutes, there you go, the glutinous rice is almost cooked. Then we will proceed to the next procedure, which is adding the kernel corns. We will also put a glass of water so that the glutinous rice won't stick to the pot. We'll add the kernel corn. There you go, and we have to mix it. We have to stir it constantly so that the sticky rice won't stick to the pot. Then we will add the sliced or diced jackfruits. There we have to. Then we will also add about 3/4 cups of brown sugar. Any sugar will do. If you have coconut sugar, that would be great. There, mix it, stir it constantly, and there you have it, our ginataang mais. Yum, yum, yum. Yan, luto na siya mga besh. Kaya, kain tayo. Luto ni Rose yan.